We had the best December in the last 3 years here at KW Big Island. You want to know why? It was sales. The number of sales that we had were off the charts. More on that, plus interest rates and what properties are selling best here on the Big Island for 2025. Aloha everyone, Dan Palomino here from the Hawaii team in KW Big Island, and Happy New Year as we start 2025. For this market update, we're going to start off on a bit of a somber note. Just wanted to express our thoughts and prayers for everyone out in California and the suffering that's gone on out there with the wildfires. Definitely in our thoughts. We know exactly how you feel and what you're going through based on what happened in Maui a couple of years ago. So we know the devastation, we know it well, and we're thinking about you. The other thing that we've developed here at the Hawaii team, and this is something that I've given to our clients over the years, is we have two types of lists that we provide all of our clients. The first one is a prep list of what you should do prior to ever having a fire event possibly at your home. Everything from video in the house, taking pictures, a go bag. I've got a complete list for you. Second thing is, if you are a victim of a fire and you lose everything, what do you do next? We hear all the time, particularly from what happened in Maui, people saying, I don't know what to do next. And so we've come up with what I think is a great exhaustive list of what to do next if you've been a victim of the fire. So if you want either of those or both of those, please reach out and email us here at the Hawaii team, and just team@thehawaiiteam.com, and we'd be happy to reply and get you that information. Okay, the market here, because this is a market update. Well, we had the best December, I would say, in the last 3 years easily. As many of you know, I'm an owner and investor here at KW Big Island, this Keller Williams franchise, and so as such, every week I'm looking at contracts written, contracts closed, I'm looking at activity, and just as we suspected, this minute the election was over, people got out their checkbooks and they started buying, and we had never sold that many properties in 1 month before as we did in December of 2024. So that would seem to indicate that people are pretty positive about the economy and where we're headed, and people are willing to move forward, which brings us to the next point about interest rates. So when we talk about interest rates, they're going to be really tied to inflation as we go through this year. I suspect that most people believe that the economy is going to take off, including the economists, and if the economy does take off, then there's a good chance that inflation will go higher. And if inflation goes higher, I don't see interest rates moving down. So the one positive that I am seeing is that people are still moving forward with transactions. I believe that people have gotten used to this new normal, and I hate using that term, but I do believe that people are used to now paying somewhere between 6.75 and 7.25. I believe that people are not putting their lives on hold for interest rates and are going ahead and still making the purchase, knowing full well that somewhere down the line they're going to be able to refinance. So I don't see interest rates inhibiting the market very much in 2025. It is the season here on the island, and what I mean by that is our season when most people are here on the island, either living or vacationing, starts at Thanksgiving and ends at the end of April. All of the tourists that were here for the holidays have come and gone, and it went fabulous. It went really, really smooth. A lot of people, great for the businesses here on the island, so happy. It was a terrific holiday season. But now our friends from Alaska and Canada are here, and they're usually here for 3 to 4 months, and we're happy to have them here. I'm playing pickleball 3 or 4 days a week, and I've got my Canadian friends who are coming and playing as well. What type of property is moving best right now on the island? And that is an easy answer. It's STVRs. Short-term vacation rentals. They are absolutely ruling the day. If a short-term vacation rental comes on the market, it's in decent condition, it's in the right location, they're being snapped up pretty quick, and we're getting, pretty close to asking price for them. Lastly, you're probably wondering about 2024 statistics. All of you who are watching the Hawaiian Islands or come to your favorite spot every year always are interested in what did the market do in that particular area. For instance, for those of you who are fans of Mauna Lani and like vacationing there and are thinking about buying something there, go to the Mauna Lani Resorts page on our website. All the 2024 statistics are up there. How many condos sold, how many homes sold, what was the price per square foot, and in fact, I'm going to be doing a video on this coming up next. So be watching our YouTube channel. I'm going to get into a Zoom, and I'm going to take you page by page and show you the 2024 statistics. I think it'll be really fascinating, but lean on these pages. Use these pages to understand what's happening and what you can buy for what price. All right, that is the January update. Be safe, everybody. Again, thoughts and prayers out to people in California. If you are interested, or we can help you in, to buy, sell, or invest here on the Big Island, contact us here at the Hawaii Team. We'd love to hear from you. Or just email us, team@thehawaiiteam.com, or check out our website, thehawaiiteam.com. All right, aloha.